Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will look at Cherry AI Robotics, AI Bot, and World of Dypians and Waves Army with Powered DAO. Along the way, I also give you a refresher on what each project is all about, because it's easy to see headlines and forget about the bigger picture. By the end, you will have a solid grasp of what's happening and why these updates matter. Let's get started. So first updates come from AIBot, the part of Cherry AI Robotics. They officially launched their point store, and this is pretty big change for their staking system. Basically, if you're staking AIBot tokens, now you're earning points that can be spent on loot boxes, and these loot boxes are packed with rewards. For now, only standard loot boxes are available, but rare and legendary ones are on the way. Those premium boxes will roll out alongside with new staking tiers, which are set to launch next week. This isn't just a small tweak, it's an attempt to make staking feel less passive and more engaging instead of just locking up tokens and waiting. You are now part of a gamified reward system. It creates an extra layer of excitement for people who are already committed to the project. And I also want to remind you of what Cherry AI Robotic is. The Cherry AI Robotic is a project focused on merging artificial intelligence and robotics with blockchain technology. Their goal is to build AI-driven automation tools that can support decentralized ecosystem, whether that's by improving logistics, streamlining workflows, or enabling smarter dApps. AI bought their native token powers the ecosystem and rewards long-term supporters. This combination of AI robotics and Web3 positions True AI Robotics as a forward-looking player in a space that's becoming increasingly interconnected. They are not just trying to create a token with hype, they are aiming for practical applications where AI automation meets the blockchain utility. The new point store is a way to reward the community while keeping people engaged as the platform develops further. And next, let's talk about the world of Dypians. This project has been making waves, pun intended, in the Web3 gaming world, and their latest milestone proved that they are building serious momentum. Recently, Vote token became the number one token on Binance Alpha, reaching staggering almost over 1 billion in 24-hour trading volume. That's massive achievement that reflects strong community interest and confidence. But they didn't stop there. They also integrated Binance Pay into game. This integration is a huge deal. Over 250 million Binance users can now make a seamless in-game payments, whether it's Prime subscriptions, golden passes, or special items like Dragon Runes, Fur Beast, and the Cold Bite. Players can buy what they need instantly within fraction, extra steps or barriers. This kind of usability is exactly what blockchain gaming needs to break into mainstream. And I also want to remind you what is World of Deepian is. The World of Deepians is a massively multiplayer online RPG set in a rich fantasy universe. It combines the best element of traditional role-playing games, quest, exploration, cooperative missions with blockchain-based features like player-owned assets, token rewards, and on-chain governance. Player can truly own their items and trade them with others or use them strategically within the game. What makes World of Deepians stand out is its focus on a community driven economy. It's not just about playing a game, it's about participating in an ecosystem where your action can influence the in game world and your assets hold real value. By integrating Binance Pay, they are removing one of the biggest barriers to adoption: complicated payment systems. This move brings them closer to appealing to mainstream gamers who may not be yet comfortable with the Web3 wallets or complicated token swaps. And finally, let's dive into Waves Army and powered by DAO. Their ambassador program is not just active, it's thriving. There are over 160 ambassadors who have collectively completed more than 25,000 tasks. That level of engagement says a lot about strength of their community. Here's how it works. You join their ambassador DAO on ZLI, fill out a quick form and complete the initial let's start tasks. From there, you can unlock more challenges each month. They run sprints, which are like rounds of competitions. The top 20 leaders at end of each sprint share the three power tokens as a reward. But that's not all. If you stake PWR tokens and complete at least 75% of the tasks, you get 10% of your stake tokens back as an extra reward. And for the influencers with over 5,000 or more followers, there is an opportunity to become a key opinion leader. Key opinion leaders help shape decisions within the DIO and expand its reach, making them integral part of the Wave's long-term strategy. And what is Waves? And the Waves army is Waves is one of the more established blockchain platform in the crypto space, known for its simplicity and speed. It provides developer with tools to build decentralized application, launch tokens, and create smart contracts. Waves has always placed a strong emphasis on users' experience and scalability, aiming to make blockchain accessible without sacrificing functionality. The Waves Army is their global ambassador network. These community members aren't just passive fans, they actively promote the Waves, participate in governance, and help onboard new users through Power DAO and ZLI. Waves ensure that community participation isn't just encouraged but rewarded. This approach has kept their ecosystem vibrant even as market conditions change. But I also want to remind you these are not the financial advice. You need to do your own research before putting any money on these projects. So there you have it. The three projects that you are pushing boundaries in different equally exciting ways. The Cherry AI Robotics AI bot is making staking more engaging through its new point store and the gamified loot boxes. World of Dypians is showing massive momentum on Binance Alpha and making in-game payments frictionless for millions of users. And the Waves Army is proving that a strong incentives community can be a backbone of a thriving blockchain ecosystem. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to give the video a like. It really helps the channel, and subscribe if you want to keep up the latest crypto and the Web3 news. And let me know in the comment section which of these updates you think will make the biggest impact. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.